For exhaust leak, my truck will stay on with the windows closed, heat high, fan high on defroster level, and a smell inside for a few seconds. There's no smell inside. Keep the truck running, coming out. On the passenger side, this is my exhaust pipe. The pipe is secure. There's no smell, no smoke from this pipe. There's no smell, no smoke in this area. And at the back, there's no smell, no smoke at the back of the truck. And this pipe is also secured with the help of fasteners. Fasten present, tighten, secure. For defect, we refer to schedule 1. On schedule 1, in in exhaust system, exhaust leak except as described in column 3. This is a minor defect. I write in logbook, let the patron know, and I can drive. And column 3 says leak that cause exhaust gas to enter the occupant compartment. This is a major defect. I write in logbook, let the patron know, and I don't drive.